makers. So welcome to the ToAuto official guide to select the wax methods. Whether you are running and making candles at home or running in a shop, or you are just retailing candles for wedding, so this is a guide to select the wax methods. Our wax method ranges from the 1.5 liter to the 30 liters. So for different kind of batches, so for the smallest 1.5 liter here, it can make up to 6 to 7 and 8 ounce candles per batch. And this 30 liter beast, it can to make up to 138 ounce candles. So you can just click on the right top to get more specific information of the wax method information. Okay, not sure if you have noticed, out of the ToAuto wax method family, we have two lovely sister and brothers here. So they are perfect if you are beginning to make candles. So this is the 1.5 liter one. So it can hold up to 3 pounds of wax, and it can make 14 4-ounce candles. As for this one, this is the 4 liter one, so it can hold up to 8 pounds of wax. So able to make around 35 4-ounce candles. They are all great for all kinds of waxes, so as soy wax, coconut wax, and paraffin, beeswax. And as you know, this one it is small, but it's super powerful and it's great for the gel wax as well. So if you are just starting out, try these two lovely out here. Okay, so then if you turn your hobby into a kind of business, or you are running your growing business, we have other family members for you here, including the 5 liter one, 6 liter one, 8 liter one, and also the 10 liter one. For growing kind of business, it's where you can have the efficiency meet the precision, because it has the double insulation here, so the temperature can be very precise. It has the temperature range from the 122F to 212F. So they are perfect for all kinds of waxes. Look at our 5 liter one. It can hold up to 11 pounds of wax. So that's able to make 44 4-ounce candles. For this 8 liter one here, it's able to hold 16 pounds of wax. That's make it able to create around 70 candles. So if you are growing your business, choose this series here. So if you are pro candle making studios who have to fill hundreds or thousands of orders per week, then there comes the other members, mommy and daddy from the ToAuto wax family. Oh, just look at them. They are super big and powerful, so they can always help you fulfill your order in time. This series, they are also where the efficiency meets the precision. As you can see here, it has both of them have the digital display, so it can help you manage the temperature accurately. The temperature ranges from 122F to 212F. So they are perfect for all kinds of waxes, including soy wax, paraffin, coconut blanks, and the beeswax. Okay, so this member, the mommy here, it's the 15 liter one. It's able to hold 33 pounds of wax. So that will help you to make 66 add-ons candles per time. As here, this is daddy. It is the 60 little one. It can make up to 132 add-ons candles. So if you are growing your business to the next level, these two wax melters, the mommy and the daddy, help you fulfill your dream. Click on the right top to get more information about the ToAuto wax melter. And check out at ToAutoMetal.com to get 5% off to upgrade your candle business to next level. Let's grow your business together.